How about I owe you?
How much do you owe me?
Oh, I owe you. 你好，我叫李静怡。
Hi, I'm Jason. While you may have heard that Mandarin is a very difficult and challenging language, it is.
妈妈骑马，马慢，妈妈骂马，马骂妈妈。
But once you learn a few things and really get certain principles down, it becomes a whole lot easier. So this Chinese syllable is made up of an initial, a final, and a tone. That's it?
That's it.
So we're really excited to present to you this course. What you need to know about Mandarin, it makes the whole language open up to you in a much easier and more accessible way than you've ever had before. W-A-I.
Right, and now let's read it. Why?
Well, because you told me to read it. Okay. Oh, I used the wrong tone. I don't know. What did I say? 去.
Yes.
去.
去. Right.
The letter R. I'm getting hooked on learning Chinese.
Right. 你好吗?
我很好.
Very good.
Be sure to hit like and subscribe to our channel to get the latest video updates, and be sure to leave your comments below. 再见.
Bye.